Well, hello.
Oh my goodness.
My name is.
Oh my goodness. What your name is?
Okay, let me figure out what my name. Hold on.
What your name is? Shop. What your name is? Shop.
Okay,
what
my
your name is? Shop. What your? I'm sorry.
Okay, my
Whatever.
name. Hold on. Let me. Okay.
Oh, girl, you pet your weave collar. Pet your weave collar. What your fella check up on the pet your weave collar. Pet your weave collar. What your fella check up on the
sizzling.
touch your heel, touch your toe. Touch it, touch it. Girl, get it, that, girl. Oh. Bitches love salsa. Bitches love salsa.
Okay, hey, y'all.
love salsa. I was in the middle of
How y'all doing?
salsa.
How y'all doing?
Oh my goodness.
Well,
They said
you
Rocky
know.
is my baby daddy.
Right. Forget that. You know, I like that Wiz Khalifa.
Oh, Wiz Khalifa ain't got nothing on with his bald-headed baby mama.
Yes. I'm like, he can get a real chick with some real good tracks. You know, you gotta.
Well, her bald-headed baby mama. Ugh.
She not even cute.
I would give me some A$AP Rocky, some Mick Miller. Shoot, I'll even turn Frank Ocean back to the rap team. Keep playing,
yes,
girl.
You better be like, come over here in this direction, boo. This direction, because obviously your man don't even want you.
So delicious.
He don't even want you.
Girl.
He don't even want you. You know what team I'm on? I'm on Team Breezy.
Are you on that team?
Breezy.
I'm on that team. Drizzy,
Drake, and ooh, girl, I liked him, but you know, I was on that Lil Wayne.
You was on Lil Wayne. Shit, nigga, ain't nobody got nothing on my boots. I get out.
Yes, he got some tattoos.
Oh, that is my boot.
His big toenail even got a tattoo on it.
Yes, his toenails.
Yes.
Got little tattoos on them. Guess what? He ain't even got real toenails. They tattoos though.
Yes, and then he got a baby mama too. I'm just like, how cute it is.
Girl.
I'm cuter than her. You know, gotta use that. Girl, what's in your teeth? What you had for lunch?
Girl, look, I had some chicken from the Popeyes, and I hit up, that Church's, because Church's got the best macaroni and cheese. But then, girl, I hit up that KFC for they mashed potatoes. And then, I had to make a run over to the Chick-fil-A to get some Sprite because they got the best Sprite.
Yes,
but then I went to Burger King because that's where my baby daddy worked at, and I had to go get my check because I needed some new shoes today. But, and next week I gotta go get my wig did again because this shit needs to stay laid. I know, girl, my edges ain't looking as
You need that, babe. You need that baby oil because I can't afford that real coconut.
That coconut baby,
you ain't got
oil
go on.
I mean,
I
understand.
really get that
but I told you, you should have been got laid up with La Rooster. And maybe you would have a child support check to pay your stuff. But
the rooster was like, I can hold down with a kid. And I was like, for real, you're not out there. Like, you don't even got no job. So you won't be able to give me my money.
The rooster would have got a job. So if not, we would have just took him to jail and took everything else that he got. Please.
He ain't got nothing. He live with his mama.
Well, we would have took her shit too.
Yup.
Keep playing.
Please, she would have been living on the corner.
She would have been like, she'd have been
popping
that thing for $1. She'd have been popping that thing. Don't stop, pop that, don't stop, pop that, don't stop, that don't stop. Oh, look at you. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So
what I know.
Oh, girl yesterday was trying to come at me.
What she said?
We was at.
Did she say she liked your shirt again?
Yes, I was like, okay, I know it's colorful. It wasn't even really colorful. It was like this powder pink. It matched my skin tone. I gotta get it right.
Oh,
get it. Get it right. Get it.
Beefing it up and shit.
Yes.
I got you, my nigga.
And then how she had the nerve.
What she said?
She liked in my freaking shirt out in my head. I was like, please, girl, I know you like it. And I like your man.
But
But you know, I had to keep it classy. And I said thank you.
Because you what? You is a lady.
Yes, I is a lady. And you know, I had to keep it classy. I had to keep it classy in the restaurant.
She kept it classy.
And I was like, thank you. Thank you. And she runs out the bathroom without even acknowledging, saying bye or nothing. So I was like, oh, she thinks she better
she
than
couldn't
everybody.
Talk.
She was washing her
She was
hands
like,
in silence. Yeah, she... and I was like, the wind got you.
She snatched it.
Get out
snatched it and went like, oh. She was speechless. Oh, heifer.
But I was like, you know, she don't even know.
They constantly messing with you, girl.
Yes, and then I don't even understand. People be looking at me like I'm crazy. And I be like, you just mad. You just mad your weave don't look as good as my scalpel.
Your scalpel? Yes, ma'am. Yes.
They was looking.
You keep it late.
Oh. You want to touch it? You want to touch it? No. Keep your little nasty nappy fingers.
Because we know where your nappy fingers been.
Nappy.
They got you on video, boo. They got you on video, boo, at the school. We know where your little fingers been. Dirty nappers. Y'all just dirty. How y'all be doing stuff at the school? At least go in the bathroom. I mean, I understand the parking lot, but at the school?
Thank you.
Y'all is ridiculous. Have a little something about...
Oh, good.
Yes.
Oh, girl, you need to get that shit. I know he was all up in your ear yesterday, blowing and shit.
Yeah, you know, that hot breath in that mucus.
You need to be careful.
It was getting in my soul.
Get that checked out, because, you know, I would say you get some Claritin. I had some last week.
Girl, Claritin don't work. It's all about that Zamitra Rayco, that little meat be selling on the corner, though. That will solve all your problems. I don't think you understand. But if you go on 27th and 8th,
okay,
there is Lamite standing on the corner. He got a light blue sedan. And it's the light blue one because they got this other person named Lamarcus. He got the dark blue one. But so you gotta have the light blue sedan. And in the back of that sedan, he got like deaf, hearing aid, arthritis, life alert.
He got birth control.
He got the birth control.
He got pregnancy test.
He got the pregnancy test. No, girl, these are the names of the different drugs that he's selling. Yes, he got keloid. Yes,
so
he got
so the police don't get him?
Yes, he got sty. He got the blue waffle.
Waffle?
Oh my God. Not waffle. Waffle. Okay. Yes, girl. Go get you some. Go get you some.
He might be a treat, you know.
Oh, just clink, clink.
Girl, what you talking about? I was going to bring him some food.
Oh, girl, you bring him some food. I know you got something else he'd rather eat, though. Ooh.
What you trying to say?
In that blue sedan.
What you trying to say? I get around.
I wasn't saying nothing. Okay.
I had to hit it with that song. I don't even know who made that.
But don't nobody ever know.
But please, trying to tell me. He gonna get him a small fry from McDonald's with a baby burger. He ain't worth nothing. He might have him, stuff.
At least give the nigga a toy from the Happy Movie.
Okay, I could ask for it so I could be like, my baby, my crumb snatcher in the back want a toy, but we can't afford the kids' meal.
Yeah, the kids' meals is expensive.
And they can't really afford for a new speaker, so it's falling on the ground. I gotta knock on the window and ask them politely, can I have it?
Yes, I understand. Yes. Oh my goodness.
It been 9 minutes.
Oh, it's been a long time.
Girl.
What?
Girl, yeah.
We should rap for the people for last time.
I don't even know how to beatbox.
Okay.
No, get it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, you could do it.
Okay.
Hey, we in there. I got a boy on the corner. He real cute. He got some
a dude with a blue car. He got a blue sedan on RuPaul. Guess what? His name is Lamite. He sell death in the back of his hoop day. I'm fresh though. My weed need to go get done now. Gotta go get my money like Alonzo. That was in a rap song. I don't know who rap it though.
Me either.
But get your money though. Get your money though. Where my child support check at? I got your baby in the back. You need to go get real fat. Gotta go hit up McDonald's though. Get a Happy Meal. Then what? You said wait.
I said wait.
Oh, I got confused. I thought you said wait.
It's okay. You know my accent sometimes.
It's okay. I mean, we was getting it though for like a minute, and we got like Olivia. So I mean, y'all could just stop sleeping.
Yes. Wait, we 11?
No, it's 11.
Oh, okay. I thought she was like we was 11 years old because I was about to tell you, girl. You know, you can't be producing at 11 like that. I might be like, I mean, 16 though, and I ain't pregnant. She got 2 kids. I ain't got none of them because, I don't be ready. I'm not ready for all that. I'm trying to get my...
I'm 16 and I got like 12 babies.
GED,
okay,
you know that.
You know what? You know what I was thinking about though? I'm 16 and I got 8 kids. Where MTV at with my contract?
Girl, I had... Never mind, that's really dull. I'm not going to talk about my personal life on here.
Oh, girl, don't cry. Don't cry, baby. Don't cry.
I just got something in my eye. Told me to be trying to tell me to get some clarity because I be getting
she be getting a little snots in her eyeballs. Yes.
Okay, but it's okay. Little Jamali boo. He in heaven. He is really happy.
He is smiling.
He's not.
He's not smiling?
But no, you're not.
Oh, okay.
It's okay though.
Okay, wish that bitch.
It's okay though.
Alright, well, I think
we really don't talk like that.
We don't. Like, I would probably die if I did.
We don't.
But this just proves we was bored. So yeah.
12 minutes is just that.
Peace out.
I kind of want to watch it.